Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Telegram on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Telegram is also one of the most popular messaging application out there. So if you want to know what's the difference between WhatsApp and Telegram, then we had covered a detailed blog. So you will get the blog link in the description box. So you can visit that link to know what's the difference between Telegram and WhatsApp. Now let us come to the main point, how we can download and install Telegram on Windows 10 and how we can use Telegram. For that, first of all, we have to download the application. For that, open your browser and search for Telegram and open the link from telegram.org. Don't worry about this link, you will get the link in the description box. Here you will find some recent news from Telegram, and here we have Telegram for Android, iOS and iPad, and here we have Telegram for PC, Mac and Linux. So we are going to download it for Windows PC. Let me click on this link. So here we have the download page. This is the desktop version of Telegram. Here you can see get Telegram for Windows x64. This x64 means Windows 64-bit version. If you're using other version of Windows 10 such as Windows 7, Windows 8 with 32-bit architect, then you can search for portable version. You can also search for all platforms. So we are going to download it for Windows operating system. I am running Windows 64-bit operating system. If you don't know whether you are running 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system, to know that, just right click on your start button. Then here you will find system option. Simply click on system. Here you will find all the information about your system such as device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, system type. Here you can see 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor. So I'm running x64-bit operating system on my system. Simply click on get Telegram for Windows. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 20 MB, so it will take some time. After the download complete, I'll show you how you can install and set up Telegram on Windows 10. Our download has been completed. Now just open this installer file. For that, simply click on this arrow icon, then click on open. So let me minimize the window. Here we have to select our language. So let me select English, then click on OK. This is the default location where Telegram is going to install. If you want to change this location, you can click on browse button, and from here you can select your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, and here we have one warning that we required at least 87.4 MB of free space. Then click on next. If you want to create start menu folder, then you can simply name your start menu folder, or else you can simply check this box, don't create start menu folder. So I'll create one start menu folder and I will name it as Telegram desktop, then click on OK. And here we have one additional task, that is I want to create a desktop shortcut. So if you don't want to create a desktop shortcut, just uncheck this box, then click on next. For now, I'm going to create desktop shortcut, then I will click on next. So this is the installation setup. We have this location where our Telegram is going to install. This is the start menu folder name, that is Telegram desktop, and here we had selected some additional tasks, that is we had created one desktop shortcut. Now click on install. So here you can see it is installing. So let me complete the installation process. So we had successfully completed the installation process. Here simply select launch Telegram, then click on finish. So this will automatically open your Telegram app. Here we have the official Telegram desktop app. Simply maximize the window and click on start messaging. Here we have two login methods. One is scanning QR code from mobile Telegram application. For that, just open your Telegram application on your mobile, go to setting, device and scan your QR code. After you had successfully scanned your QR code, you will get login to your Telegram account, or else you can log in using your mobile number. To log in with your mobile number, simply click on this link and enter your mobile number. You will get login to your Telegram account. For quicker login to your Telegram account, I will suggest you to scan the QR code. For that, click on login using QR code. Here we have the QR code and simply scan the QR code. Here we have the desktop application for Telegram. So this way you can install and use Telegram on Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.